Okay, here's the way it goes together. It's even up there. Down a little bit there. To the back. Just
Yeah,
play
it could have been just maybe a couple of weeks ago. I would have said that I was just going to cob up my. Wait, finish.
What's that? No, I'm just videoing this one. No, I had to put it back together.
I would have just been cobbing up a seat. Now I'm going to engineer. I'm going to have my seat engineered here in another 30 minutes and done. Not cobbed, but engineered.
That's good. I don't want to guess when I put the back together, you know what I mean? Where there's all these little pieces that go.
I did that with my flip video. In fact, there could be, I don't think tomorrow's realistic because I want to go ahead and go over it